Welcome everyone. Welcome to my channel. My name is Miss Blessing and this is I Teach with Miss B. And today I'm going to be teaching you how you can save your video as a link. Okay, so how you can get your video as a link. Now, most of you ask me questions about stuff like, Miss Blessing, I have my video, and then the video is like your demo video is like 70 minutes, 30 minutes long, and sometimes when you send these videos to your recruiters, most of them do not open it because they see the large MBs and all of that. So it's best to save it as a drive link. And just in case this is your first time here, my name is Miss Blessing. Please click on the like, subscribe, and share button. And I share tips that help teachers thrive and grow, whether you're in a physical classroom or in the online space, right? So if you're new to the online space and you want to actually teach online, my videos are here to help you. Okay, you know I'm a teacher's person. Okay, so my videos are here to help you. And like I said today we're going to be learning how we can change our videos into a link. I know that to some people it's easy, some people don't know how to do that, but you're going to learn how to do it today. So when you're sending your CV, you're sending your cover letter, also send your drive link or your video, your demo video drive link as well. Okay, so we're going to be learning how we are going to do all of that today. Yes, you're going to learn how to do that today. So the first thing you want to do is go to your Chrome. Okay, the first thing you want to do is go to your Chrome, and when you go to your Chrome, you go to your Google Apps, the nine dotted line or the nine dots at the right hand side, right? So you're going to click on that and then you look for Drive. Now when you click on Drive, it's going to open. Okay, so it's going to open your suggested files for you. And when it does open your suggested files for you, the next thing you want to go to do is to go to new. At the left hand side, you're going to see new. So you're going to click on new. Now in new, you're going to see new folder, new file upload, and file folder uploader. Now we're not trying to upload a folder, we want to upload a video. Okay, so you go to that place, you click on file upload. Now when you click on file upload, it's going to open a video for you. It's going to open a video that you've recorded for you. Okay, most of the times when we record our videos on Zoom, or when you use the Zoom recorder, it doesn't save for you in your Zoom. Okay, it doesn't save for you in your in your videos. You will see it in documents. So if you use the Zoom recorder to record your video and you are looking for the video everywhere in your system, just go to your documents. When you go to documents, you just search for Zoom. You see a folder. Then in that folder, you will see your videos that you've used to record on Zoom. And ensure that when you're recording on Zoom, you're recording to your laptop, right? So that you can be able to get it. Please, when you're doing your demo video, don't use phone. No, use your laptop to do your demo video. Again, I want to also tell you, you could use your Zoom to do your recording. You could use ScreenPad. You could use Fine Screen Recorder. Right now, I'm using Fine Screen Recorder, so yeah, it works for me. So like I said, now the next thing you do, you go to your file where it is. Mine is in, you can see it has this zoom folder here, and this, it was in documents, right? Now when you go there, you select the video, ensure that you must have done your video, right? So you select the video that you want to use. So I'm going to click on this video here and click on open. Yeah, I'm going to click on open. Now you could see I already uploaded this video before, so I'm just going to say replace existing file and then just upload. But if you've not uploaded the video before, you'll just see it active, you should upload, and then you to start uploading at the right hand side, at the bottom of the right hand side. So if your data is fast or your internet is fast, it's going to upload as soon as possible. So mine is uploading. I have 1 minute left. So while it's still uploading, just in case you are still interested in doing the training for this month, please send me a DM or click on the link in my bio. If you've not joined the WhatsApp channel, please click on the link in the bio. You're going to see the link to the WhatsApp channel, link to my WhatsApp, so you could contact me and tell me what you want to do. There's a group training starting in February. Another group training might start later, but I don't know the date yet. But for now, it's going to start in February. Okay, so I'm looking forward to having you in class. All right, so it's going to be like 5 live sessions. We're also going to have practicals, and trust me, you're going to be equipped. If you're on the WhatsApp channel, you trust me, you've been seeing all the updates from other teachers as well. So that's good. All right, our video is up. Now let's click on it. Yes, so
You
this is our
can join
video.
as fast.
This is our video. So I'm gonna just open it here. That's the video here. Look at it here. Look at it. Video 10 what. Now you can rename the video. I'm just going to rename this. So if it's your demo video, you can rename it to like your demo video or something. But then again, once you have uploaded, yeah, are you with me? Once you have uploaded, go to share. Now, when you go to share, don't just copy the link. Ensure that it is not restricted because sometimes it's restricted. Look at it. So if you click on this one, you see if you just uploaded it, you see restricted. Click on restricted and change it to anyone with the link. But if it is on anyone with the link, that's okay. So it means that anyone with that video link can view it. Ensure that it is not restricted. Then when you're done, you can now copy your link and click on done. Your video is ready as a link now. If your video is long, maybe like 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, it might take a while to actually upload, right? But if your video is not so long, why? Within minutes you're done, and then you have your link. This is how you can save the link. Let me show you what the link looks like. I'm going to just click on the new tab and control V. So can you see this is the drive link? So if I enter it, I'll be able to view the video that was there. Okay, I hope you've been able to learn something new this morning. Please click on the like, subscribe and share button, and I'll be dropping more tips as we move forward. Again, there are a lot of videos that you have here. My book, the online blueprints, teaching tutoring blueprints, is here on my bio. You can get the book if you're new to online teaching. Don't know what to do, right? You could get the book. It's very affordable. That's one. Two, if you're looking for how to use tools and apps and all of that, they are on my channel. Please stay on my channel. I know people that have gotten jobs just watching my video and putting in the work just the same way it is. So please use my channel, learn, and then move forward. All right. Thank you. Until I see you again in my next video. Bye for now.